Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. Today I will be juicing 3 superfood that's gonna detox your body, help you to lose weight, and give you glowing skin. Always best to detox your body before you start your diet so your body can be cleansed of all the unwanted waste. Beets have loads of health benefits. It's lower your blood pressure, slow down dementia, prevent cancer, have lots of minerals, reduce cholesterol, support your liver, potassium. Beets are a good source of potassium and minerals. It's healthy your nerves and your muscle function. Now, drinking beets in moderation helps to improve your potassium level. I don't know if you guys ever notice sometimes you start to feel cramps in your muscle. It's because your muscle are weak because your potassium level are low. Bottom line, vitamin C is a well-known vitamin, an antioxidant that is important for immune function and skin health. Iron has many important functions in your body. It's necessary for the transport of oxygen in red blood cells. Vitamin B9 is important for normal tissue growth and cell function. It's particularly necessary for pregnant women. As mentioned before, beets reduce your cholesterol level. If you have high cholesterol, consider adding beet juice to your diet. Beets are healthy no matter how you prepare them. However, juicing beets is a super way to enjoy them because cooking beets reduce the nutritional value. Here are some health benefits of drinking carrot juice daily. Carrot is highly nutritious. It's low in calories and low in carbs. Lots of nutrition to carrot. It's also improve your eyes, boost your immunity, prevent cancer and improve your blood sugar, control your blood sugar, give you that glow shininess to your skin, as in it's improve your skin health, and boost your heart health and protect your liver. And remember, you only have one liver. So when you think of carrot, think of 20/20 vision, your eyes. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, protein, calcium, potassium, and low calories, weight loss, detox, carrot juice. Okay guys, we're at celery. Who doesn't love celery? I do. I love celery, and you do. You love celery. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals. With a low glycemic index, you will enjoy vitamin A, K, and C, plus minerals like potassium and folate. When you drink celery or eat celery, it's also low in sodium. Plus, it's low in glycemic index, meaning it has a slow, steady effects on blood sugar. Do you know the celery juice comprises mostly water? Yes, it does. and may help to hydrate your skin. Drinking enough fluid throughout the day helps maintain hydration level to keep your skin cells well maintained. And we want to have what? Beautiful, young looking, firm skin. In my opinion, as a health point of view, speaking of, I would say if you're going to detox your body or you're trying to lose weight, this juice are the best juice. Not only that, it's going to detox your body and help you lose weight, but it's also going to build your body with all the nourishment that your body craves for. Now, last is first and first is last, as in I juice the celery last, as in I'm going to drink the celery first thing on empty stomach. Next, you can choose between the carrot juice and the beet juice, whichever you want to. They're both are amazing benefit. You cannot go wrong with any of these amazing delicious juice. Healthy lifestyle with Victoria. That's it for today, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, hit the red subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That will make me really happy. Love, love, love. By the way, all of you also have a YouTube channel. The link is in my description box, among other things. And I'll see you soon, and give a cup of kindness to someone today.